Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic that often gets overlooked: disability insurance. We will dive into what disability insurance is, its benefits, and why it's crucial to protect your financial future. So let's get started. Disability insurance is designed to provide financial protection in case you become disabled and are unable to work. Many people understand the risk of becoming disabled and overlook the importance of having this coverage. However, the reality is that disabilities can happen to anyone at any time, and the financial consequences can be very devastating. Disability insurance is a type of insurance that provides income replacement if you are unable to work due to an illness, injury, or disability. It offers financial support by replacing a portion of your income when you are unable to earn it on your own. There are two main types of disability insurance: short-term disability and long-term disability insurance. Short-term disability insurance typically covers a portion of your income for a shorter duration, usually up to a few months. On the other hand, long-term disability insurance provides coverage for an extended period until you are able to return to work or reach the retirement age, actually. So now let's discuss the benefits of disability insurance. First is income replacement. So disability insurance ensures that you continue to receive a portion of your income if you are unable to work. The financial support helps you cover your living expenses, medical bills, and other financial obligations. Second is a safeguarding your asset. So disability insurance protects your hard-earned assets from being depleted if you are unable to work. Without this coverage, you might have to dip into your saving or sell your assets to make ends meet. The third is a peace of mind. Having disability insurance providing peace of mind, knowing that you have a safety net to rely on during difficult times. It alleviates the stress and uncertainty that can arise from losing your income due to disability. Disability insurance covers a wide range of disabilities, so including physical injuries, chronic illnesses, mental health conditions, and also much more. It ensures you are protected regardless of the cause of your disability. Disability insurance policies can be tailored to meet your specific needs. You can choose the duration of coverage, the amount of income replacement, and the additional riders to enhance your protection. So, who needs disability insurance? Disability insurance is not just for those in high-risk professions. In fact, anyone who relies on their income to cover living expenses should consider disability insurance. Whether you are working as a professional, a freelancer, a small business owner, or even a stay-at-home parent, disability insurance can be a crucial component of your financial plan. Okay, here are a few tips to consider when choosing disability insurance. First, assess your needs. Evaluate your financial obligations, including your monthly expenses and any existing saving or support system that you have in place. This will help you determine the appropriate amount of coverage you need. Second, understand policy terms. Read and understand the terms and conditions of the policy carefully. Pay attention to the definition of disability, waiting period, benefit duration, and any exclusion or limitations. Third is to seek professional guidance. Consider consulting with an insurance professional or a financial advisor who can help you navigate the complexities of these disability insurance and find the right policy for your needs. Disability insurance is an essential safeguard for your financial future. It provides income replacement, protects your assets, and offers peace of mind during challenging times. Don't underestimate the risk of disability. Take proactive steps to secure your financial well-being. That's all for today, folks. I hope you found this information valuable and insightful. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience with disability insurance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.